commitment to a new beginning between America and Muslims around the world. As I said in Cairo, this new beginning must...
I wonder if there's anything more you feel you can or that you should do about that. And Mr. Prime Minister, your views at this stage now that we've seen Buy American play itself out.
Well, let me start with Afghanistan, and I'll just reiterate what I said earlier. Let me reiterate, this is a constructive beginning, but hard work lies ahead.
So I just want to reiterate, his leadership has made a tremendous difference. And through these economic storms, he's never lost sight of the struggles and the hardships of the people who sent him to Washington.
And then we had an opportunity to sit down with President Preval and the First Lady just to reiterate America's support for Haiti.
So I want to reiterate, there is a legitimate role for these financial instruments in our economy.
I am here today to reiterate the importance of this partnership and the importance of seeking common ground.
In conclusion, I would like to reiterate my thanks to Secretary General Ban Ki-moon for organizing this important meeting.
And I want to reiterate that along with our South Korean and international partners, the United States is prepared to provide economic assistance to North Korea and help it integrate into the international community, provided that North Korea meets its obligations. And obviously I want to reiterate how heartbroken we are by the images of the devastation there.
This is why this afternoon I also heard with great pleasure the President of the United States reiterate that his government has invested a large amount of money in the combat of the reduction of consumption.
وأشكرهم كذلك على قوة العلاقات اللي تجمع بين قطر وبين أمريكا واللي ذكرها فخامة الرئيس.
And I would like to reiterate what you have mentioned, Mr. President, and that is the strength of the relationship that exists between the United States and Qatar.
改めてオバマ大統領に、震災後初めてお会いをする中で心からお礼を申し上げたいと思います。震災発生後直後に電話をいただきまして、それ以来3度の電話をいただきました。また震災発生直後からロナルド・レーガン航空母艦を送っていただき、友達作戦を展開をしていただきました。そして、原子力事故に関してもいろいろな専門的知識を持つ人材、そして機材を惜しみなく提供していただきました。この1年の米国の大統領の行動を通して本当に、日米同盟というものの絆の深さを私自身も深く感じましたし、日本国民全員が深く感じて、心から感謝を申し上げたいと思います。
This is the first opportunity to meet President Obama after the earthquake disaster, and I would like to reiterate my sincere gratitude for the United States and support.
So let me reiterate what we were offering. And 2 months ago, I went down to the border of El Paso to reiterate. El Paso's in the house.
I want to reiterate the commitment of Mexico to take an active part in the Partnership for Open Government and to fulfill its principles.
Indeed, we also reiterate our resolve to act firmly against any proliferation activities by...
I'd like to take the occasion to reiterate my invitation on behalf of myself and President-elect Vladimir Putin.
Well, first of all, let me just...
And in this context, I'd like to reiterate the interest of my country to join forces as soon as possible to the TPP, or the Trans-Pacific Partnership, and its negotiations.